So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about how to create ORCID and how to use that ORCID. So before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So ORCID, that stands for Open Researcher Contributor ID. So that is specially used to communicate your research articles, or once your research articles are published, they are available online. With the help of ORCID, they can be identified. So first what you have to do, you have to sign into the ORCID. So before signing, you must register here. So click on register now, and here you are going to get the details. You should fill your details, name and email address, additional email if you have. Then click on next, and once you fill all the details, you are going to have the details of ORCID to your email ID, and also you should create password. Then you can sign into the ORCID. So it is 16-digit number, or you can also log in using your email ID that you have provided and fill the password and sign in. So I have already created my ORCID. So I have already signed in. So this is my ORCID profile. So here you can see this ORCID is a 16-digit number to identify the author, especially if authors are having the same name or from the same field. So it is difficult to identify sometime. That time, this with the help of ORCID, you can clearly distinguish, or you can identify. So you have to add your details here, name, profile, everything you should add your details here: work profile, educational qualification and professional activities, funding works. And when you have given the ORCID for while publishing or communicating your paper, so once it is published, automatically it is added to your profile. If you have DOI number, that is digital object identifier, this DOI number if you have for the published paper, then also it is going to be added to your profile. So these are the papers that having DOI, they are connected to my profile. So here you can add, if you want to add your email ID, other email IDs also. So this is how you can create ORCID, and for any of the journal, for research paper communication or the published articles, they can be linked to your ORCID profile. And this is very helpful to identify the author with their publications easily. So the scholarly articles or the research field, your work is going to be identified easily. So this is how it is very useful. So I would suggest the researchers, those who have not created ORCID, please create your ORCID for further communication for the research papers. Compulsory for any of the Scopus indexed or Web of Science journals, they are going to ask ORCID. That time, if you have the ORCID, it is easy for you to communicate. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.